3, 2, 1.
Senior Rebel!
Hi everyone, I'm Samara, one of the team leads here at Vocatio Career Prep, who's leading the Senior Rebuild project. Today we're at a client's home and we're preparing the room and moving furniture out of the way so we can paint the room this week.
That our students have the opportunity to serve their community and to do something for senior citizens in our community. It is such an awesome experience that they have to be able to put their vocational trades to good use and to be of service to others. So I'm so excited to see this project come to life.